What if we told you that the future of energy is not in coal mines, but in the power of the sun, the wind, and the water? Imagine a world where we harness these natural, renewable resources to power our homes, our businesses, and our lives. This is not just a dream, but a rising trend. An increasing number of countries, companies, and communities are shifting towards renewable energy, recognizing its importance for our future. The global shift towards sustainable solutions is more than just a trend. It's a necessary response to the realities of climate change. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydro are not only abundant and sustainable, but they also emit significantly less carbon dioxide compared to traditional fossil fuels. Investing in renewable energy is not just about financial returns. It's about contributing to a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable world. As we move towards a sustainable future, renewable energy isn't just an option, it's a necessity. So, what are the different types of renewable energy investments that you can make? Let's start with solar energy. It's like having your very own piece of the sun. Solar investments typically involve the production and distribution of solar panels. The beauty of solar energy is its sheer abundance. The sun isn't going anywhere anytime soon. The primary risk? Well, solar power is dependent on weather conditions and geographical location, so it's not always consistent. Next up, wind energy. Picture this. Your money helps to spin giant turbines, converting wind into electricity. Wind farms, both onshore and offshore, are common types of wind energy investments. They offer great potential, especially in windy regions. But just like solar, wind energy is subject to the whims of Mother Nature. If the wind doesn't blow, the turbines don't turn. Now, let's dive into hydro energy. When you invest in hydro energy, you're essentially harnessing the power of water. This can be through large-scale hydroelectric dams or smaller run-of-the-river systems. Hydroelectric power is incredibly reliable and can generate massive amounts of energy. However, it can also have significant environmental impacts, such as altering water ecosystems and displacing local communities. Lastly, we have bioenergy. This type of investment involves using organic materials like plant or animal waste to create energy. Bioenergy can be a great way to reduce waste and harness its potential, but it's important to remember that the process of creating bioenergy can sometimes produce greenhouse gases, which contribute to climate change. Each type of renewable energy investment has its own benefits and risks, but all contribute towards a sustainable future. Whether you're drawn to the steady reliability of hydropower, the limitless potential of solar and wind, or the waste-reducing capabilities of bioenergy, there's a renewable energy investment out there that's just right for you. And remember, when you invest in renewable energy, you're not just investing in a financial asset, you're investing in the future of our planet. Now, let's shine a light on solar energy investments. Solar energy is a hot topic in the world of renewable investments, and for good reason. It's an abundant resource with enough sunlight reaching Earth every hour to power our entire planet for a year. Plus, solar technology is becoming more affordable. The cost of solar panels has dropped significantly over the past decade, making it a more accessible option for many investors. However, it's not all sunny skies. There are risks to consider. Solar power is weather dependent. After all, you can't have solar power without sunlight. And while the cost of technology is falling, the initial investment can be high. Despite these challenges, the potential returns are hard to ignore. With the right strategy, you could see sizable profits from your solar energy investments. Solar energy, abundant and increasingly affordable, offers promising opportunities for investors. But what about harnessing the power of the wind? Indeed, wind energy is a force to be reckoned with in the realm of renewable energy. This form of power generation is not only cost-effective, but it also offers incredible scalability. Imagine wind turbines like giant pinwheels spinning in harmony across vast landscapes, quietly generating power for countless homes and businesses. Yet, like any investment, wind energy has its own set of risks. The first is geographical limitations. Not all regions are blessed with strong and consistent winds. Hence, the location is key for wind farms. Then there's the impact on wildlife, particularly flying creatures. The spinning blades of wind turbines can pose a threat to birds and bats. However, despite these challenges, wind energy remains a powerful player in the renewable energy sector. Its potential for growth and sustainability continues to attract investors worldwide. So, while the wind may be invisible, its impact on the future of energy is undeniably substantial. Despite certain challenges, wind energy remains a powerful player in the renewable energy sector. Let's not forget about the potential of hydro and bioenergy investments. Now, when we talk about hydro energy, we're referring to the power that's generated from water. This is a resource that's available in abundance on our planet, and it's highly reliable. Unlike solar and wind energy, which are dependent on weather conditions, hydro energy can be produced consistently. This makes it a stable and predictable investment. The versatility of hydro energy is another aspect that makes it attractive. It can be generated in multiple ways, from large-scale hydroelectric dams to small off-grid systems. This gives investors a range of options to consider, depending on their risk tolerance and investment goals. However, hydro energy is not without its challenges. The environmental impact of large-scale hydro projects is often a point of contention. These projects can disrupt local ecosystems and displace communities. This, in turn, can lead to regulatory hurdles and potential public backlash. Switching gears, let's talk about bioenergy. This is energy that's produced from organic materials, such as crops, wood, and waste. Like hydroenergy, bioenergy is versatile and reliable. It can be used to generate electricity, heat, and even fuel. The growth potential of the bioenergy market is a key advantage. As more industries and consumers look for sustainable alternatives, the demand for bioenergy is expected to rise. This presents a significant opportunity for investors. However, the bioenergy sector also faces certain risks. There's the environmental impact to consider, particularly when it comes to land use and waste management. Regulatory challenges are another factor, as the sector is heavily regulated in many regions. Despite these challenges, the potential of hydro and bioenergy investments remains strong. They offer the reliability and versatility that are often lacking in other forms of renewable energy. And with the right strategy and foresight, investors can navigate these challenges and reap significant rewards. Hydro and bioenergy, reliable and versatile, present unique opportunities for those willing to navigate their challenges. So, what are the key takeaways when it comes to investing in renewable energy? Well, the first thing is to acknowledge the undeniable reality that renewable energy is the future of power. As we grapple with climate change and the urgent need to reduce our carbon footprint, renewable energy sources like solar, wind, hydro, and bioenergy are becoming increasingly essential. Now, let's not forget the sheer variety of investment opportunities within the renewable energy sector. There's a smorgasbord of options that cater to every risk appetite and investment goal. You can choose to invest in individual companies, exchange-traded funds, or even government and corporate bonds. Each of these options presents its own unique blend of risk and reward, and the key to successful investing lies in understanding these intricacies. Diving deeper, we've seen the compelling cases for solar and wind energy. Solar power, with its falling costs and rising efficiency, is a shining beacon of potential. And then there's wind energy, a force to be reckoned with, harnessing the power of the breeze to generate electricity. Both these forms of renewable energy offer promising prospects for savvy investors. And let's not overlook the potential of hydro and bioenergy. While these energy sources might not grab the headlines as often, they represent significant areas of growth. Hydropower is a time-tested and reliable source of renewable energy, while bioenergy, derived from organic material, holds promise in its versatility and potential for carbon neutrality. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. As with any investment, there are risks involved. Technological advancements, policy changes, and market dynamics can all impact the value of your investment. It's crucial to stay informed and make decisions based on thorough research and understanding of the market. And finally, remember this. Investing in renewable energy isn't just about financial returns, it's about investing in our future. As we invest in renewable energy, we are not just seeking profit. We are contributing to a sustainable future, a cleaner planet, and a better world for generations to come.